Such a weird feeling. You want looser?
Yes, a little bit. Yeah, mine's kind of choking me too, bro.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Better?
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, I definitely got to tighten up my boots a little bit.
You got that. You're a natural.
Just do slow and long. You know what I mean? Like just go across and then turn, come back across. Just do it slow till you get comfortable turning. Once you get comfortable steering and turning, like, you know, when you're skiing, if you just kind of lean one leg, you'll kind of steer that way. It's hard to explain. I have to do it again and then see it to remember how to explain it. And you know, you can do this to stop or whatever, right? Like turn both in a little bit. Just make sure your legs are open a little bit, because if you do it like this and you go, you're gonna do that and you're gonna probably trip yourself up. Yeah, when you're French frying, closer together. When you pizza, push out.
Or you gotta come right behind me. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Come on, bro. 3. Bro, I'm kind of like scared now.
Give her. Even if you don't feel comfortable just going back and forth through one, go like fairways and cross to the second one and come back. He started skirting and then just said fuck it. But that's not learning. You're supposed to learn how to steer and stop. That's the goal. You don't wait. You need practice, bro. Come on.
Hi, Bumbo.
Hey, Jake.
I think we gotta go a couple more, bro.